horse rates. Monday morning we start a brand new week. Last week was not here, not there, both in terms of mood and momentum. First rates 50 points higher for the Nifty. The breadth is looking meaningfully better than what it has looked in a long time. So we are off to a flat start on benchmark indices, but the breadth is looking meaningfully better. You need to look at all the stocks where the quarterly update came out. HDFC Bank, Bajaj Finance, Bandhan Bank, AU. Banks is the big one. Then you look at FMCG, which is Dabur and Marico. And then value retail stocks or the value retailers, D-Mart, V-Mart, Style Bazaar. So nothing big in terms of an incremental move here, with the exception that of the entire basket per se, the fall of buying in value retail stocks is not there.
Right. Okay, let's see what NTPC Green is up to. One of their arms has bagged a 1000 megawatt order as well. So look out for what that stock. Nykaa, that also, by the way, came out with its quarterly updates. Just such a beaten down name. The net revenue growth is likely to be, higher than mid-20s. The beauty business growth has accelerated. That stock has moved up about 3.5%, but again stuck around that 173 odd level. Marico as well, they managed to deliver mid-teen year-on-year revenue growth in the third quarter. They're expecting modest EBITDA growth, so look out for what that stock does. On the other hand, of course, Dabur is what's disappointed, given that their general trade is still under pressure. The consolidated revenue growth estimates are in low single digits, 2% lower for Dabur as we speak right now. IEX, their December electricity traded volume has shown an uptick of about 29%. The stock higher by 1.25% as we speak right now. And then good quarterly performance from Equitas SFB, from an AU Small Finance Bank, from M&M Finance. All these stocks should be holding up in the green as we speak right now. Angel One, by the way, even though the stock was quite beaten down on Friday, but their gross client addition has seen an uptick of over 29%, and the client base has seen an uptick of over 2.5% on a month-on-month basis. Back in the green for Angel One, 4.25%. It's almost made up for its Friday losses now. Other than that, disappointing performance from L&T Finance, Bandhan Bank, RBL Bank, IndusInd Bank. All of them have come out with disappointing quarterly updates. And to add to that, this Kotak Bank, wherein there have been some senior level exits as well. Both the COO as well as the CTO have put in their papers. That stock down 1.5%.
Yeah, but that's not all. More newsmakers, Easy Trip Planners up 7%. That clarification on no further stake sale is supporting the sentiment. SBI Card got the thumbs up from Nomura and Nuvama, up around 4%. Jubilant Food, the data for Q3 provisional update is just out. The like-for-like growth isn't too bad. In fact, after many quarters of disappointment, looks like the revival is in store. That stock is on a bit of a gap up right now. Bajaj Finance, of course, on expected lines, doing quite well. Zomato, surprisingly, is looking a bit soft right now. Let's take a look whether that one is actually reacting or not. JSW Energy is something that we're watching out for on the account of that CRC cancellation. Real estate is the top performing sector right now, led by Lodha. Of course, the Q3 update is out. 4,500 crore worth of collection, a jump of 32%, best ever sales. So that stock is in focus, and IT stocks also doing quite okay. TCS does report its numbers this week. But time now to take the first race from Naresh. Naresh, what's looking good on the chart right now?
So looking at PFC as a good trade risk reward bet here, expecting a bounce back slowly. So from 460.62 looks like a good entry point.
Hiren Ben joins us. Let's connect with.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.